up, guys? Antonio back here for a new tutorial on window air conditioning savings. Okay, maybe that didn't sound right. Creating a cooler environment for your pets and your house. So when all of your shades are open in the whole house, basically in the summertime when that sun is shining through the windows at its highest peak of the day, you are getting a lot of heat in the house. It's creating the temperature in the house to go up several degrees, and that is a cost on you. It's very bad for the flooring. Actually, if the sun has direct sunlight on your flooring, you are just wearing the finish off of those floors. I've seen it many a times, especially in sunrooms like this here. The sun has a great impact on discolorations of the floor, and that's only one more thing that you need to worry about. But the main thing is keeping your shades closed during the summertime, because that cuts the temperature quite a few degrees. It's just heating the air. You know, that sun's coming through the windows, and it's acting like a magnifier, the glass, and it's just heating up the inside of your house. So by closing all those shades, you know, I'm always yelling at my wife and telling her to keep the shades closed, but she wants light in the bedroom. And I'm like, well, you know, it's just costing us more money during the summertime, right? And then as far as the wintertime, by opening those shades, you're heating the house, right? Something as simple as that, right? As simple as that, you are helping the environment in your house. You're heating it in the winter, and you're cooling it in the summer by doing such a simple task such as opening or closing your shades. So, super easy tutorial, right? Very beneficial. I think so. What do you think? I don't think he's very happy, to be honest with you. But you can do anything to this little guy. He's funny, right? So, all right, guys, listen. Not a long tutorial, but I thought it was important, especially during the summer months. You know, like us, subscribe to us, please. And then don't forget to hit that little bell that, you know, so you can keep getting the repetitive videos of us. Okay, so great summer. We'll see you on the next tutorial, guys. Thank you so much for tuning in. It's a great, you know, it means a lot. All right, thank you. See you soon.